Hello friends, in this lecture we will see two questions from inventory as we have done two previous lectures on question series. So this is the last lecture on question series. So the maximum number of questions which I am trying to give you. So just you have read everything, just go through the question. It is a very good question. This question has been asked in GATE 2020. GATE 2020 2 marks question. So basically I have told you, look, deterministic approach and probabilistic approach. So in deterministic approach there are 4 types. So I think that on the basis of EOQ model, price discount model and production consumption model, all the 3 models has been done. The questions on all the 3 models has been done, and the last model was shortage model. So this question of GATE 2020 is based on shortage model. So we will read the question. We will read the question. It says that for a single item inventory system, the demand is continuous, which is 10,000 per year. The demand is continuous, which is 10,000 per year. So basically capital D is given. Capital D is 10,000 per year. Capital is per annum given. And it is saying that the replacement is instantaneous and the back orders, that is S units per cycles are allowed. Back orders S units. You can see back orders were also known as shortage. Back orders quantity were also known as shortage quantity. So it is saying that back orders are allowed, and the back orders is S unit. And it is saying that as soon as the quantity Q, as soon as the quantity Q, this is Q, ordered from the supplier is received, the back order quantity is issued to the customer. C note they have given. C note means ordering cost. Ordering cost they have given rupees 300 per order. CH, that is holding cost, they have given rupees 4 per unit per year. And CB, that is back ordering cost, is rupees 25 per unit per year. So CB is also given rupees 25 per unit per year. So they are asking based on total cost minimization. It means optimum order, total cost minimization. You can see based on total cost minimization criteria, the maximum inventory reached in the system is dash. So they are asking that if the total cost is to be minimized, then find the maximum inventory which is reached in the system. So basically this is the sorted quantity, and this is being received from the supplier. And when it is being received from the supplier, the back order quantity is supplied to the customer. It means the total quantity which is going to reach in the system is this Q minus S. Because it is saying that as soon as the quantity Q ordered from the supplier is received, as the quantity Q is received, the back order quantity is issued to the customer. This quantity is given to the customer because it was the shortage for the customer. So now it is given to the customer. So the maximum inventory which is reached in the system is only, you can say, it is going to be only this much. It is going to be only this much. This is the maximum quantity reached in the system, and let it be, you can say M. We denote it with M, maximum quantity reached in the system. So how to find the M? So either you can directly remember the formula, because this type of question has already been asked earlier in the GATE examination. So you must remember the formulas, and if you don't remember, then there is lengthy process. There is some lengthy procedures. So what we have to find? We have to find the value of M. So basically M is maximum quantity in the system. Maximum quantity in the system. So from figure we can say that M equals to Q minus S. M equals to Q minus S. So we have to find M. So for this we have to find Q and S. So there is one way that we can directly apply the formula. Okay, we can directly apply the formula, and you must remember the formula. So the formula is M. Formula of M is Q star into CB upon CB plus CH. Okay, the formula is M equals to Q star CB upon CB plus CH. This CB is back ordering cost and this CH is holding cost. Okay, so you can directly find the value of M. So from where you are going to find Q star? Okay, from the formula, from the shortest cost model formula. And why this Q star? Because it is saying that based on total cost minimization criteria. Okay, minimization criteria means Q will become Q star. Okay, so how to find the Q star? We know that for shortest cost model, the Q star formula is 2D C naught by CH into CB plus CH by CB. Okay, so just put the values. 2D is 10,000, C naught is 300, divided by CH. CH is 4. Here it is 25 plus 4 divided by 25. So here you can put the value 1319.09 into CB. CB is 25 upon 25 plus 4. So directly you can get the formula. Okay, directly you can get the value of M. So you can find the maximum inventory reached in the system, that is M. M is going to be 1137. Okay, 1137. How you are going to find it? You are going to find it with the help of this formula. So you must remember this formula, because in the examination you will not get sufficient time. But if you don't remember the formula, then you have to remember certain steps. Okay, you must have read these things in your shortage model. So now we are going with the lengthy procedure. Now we will write one thing. We know from the shortage cost model that for minimum cost, for minimization cost criteria, okay, for minimization cost criteria, we can write that the holding cost becomes equals to the shortage cost. Okay, in shortage model, you can write in shortage model, based on the cost minimization criteria, the holding cost, okay, the holding cost becomes equals to the shortage cost or back order cost. So what is the holding cost? You are not going to hold this inventory Q. Okay, you are not going to hold this inventory Q because the S is shortage. So you are only going to hold Q minus S. This is M. So the shortage cost is Q minus S by 2 into CS, because it is average. Okay, and the shortage cost or back ordering cost is S by 2 into CB. Okay, S by 2 into CB. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. From here you can find the value of S. Okay, from here you can find the value of S. So after solving it, you will find S equals to Q into CH upon CB plus CH. Okay, this is the shortage quantity. So another question may be asked that find the shortage quantity or back order quantity. So S equals to Q into CH upon CB plus H. So what is Q? Based on cost minimization criteria, you can write here only. Okay, what is Q? This is Q star. Okay, so this is going to be Q star. Okay, and shortage is also optimum. Okay, everything is based on the cost minimization criteria. So this is also optimum. Okay, you can say this is also optimum. This M is also M star. Everything is star. No need to worry. Okay, you can either put or don't put. So you can find the Q star. Okay, previously we have found the Q star. So Q star can be found from the formula. The formula we know, root 2D C naught by CH, CB plus CH by CB. Okay, so from here we can find the Q star, and here put the value of Q. Okay, here you are going to put the value of Q. Once you are going to put the value of Q, and you already know the Q star. Okay, so from here M is you are going to get either subtract it, so directly we will get Q star CB upon CB plus CH. Okay, so we have also derived the formula. We have also derived the previous formula. Okay, so either you are going to find this M, or either find this q, put it here, you know already q star. So you will find this value of m, that is maximum inventory which is going to reach in the system. Okay, so everything you know, just use the formula. So with the help of this formula you can derive this optimum shortage or optimum number of units which is reached in the system. Optimum shortage, or simply you can say this is also known as optimum storage. Okay, optimum shortage or optimum storage, because this q minus s you are going to store in your inventory. Okay, so from here you can find s, and from here you can find the m, or directly you can find the m from here. Okay, so this is all about GATE 2020 question. Now we have got another question. Okay, a 1 marks, a 2 marks question of UPSC. Okay, we have got another question. So the question I am going to write, it is saying that if orders are placed once a month. Okay, very simple question. Once a month to meet an annual demand, of 6,000 units, then the average inventory would be question mark. Okay, option A is 200, option B is 250, option C is 300, and option D is 500. So they are asking that what is the average inventory. Okay, what is going to be the average inventory, and they are saying that if orders are placed once a month, okay, to meet the annual demand, okay, annual demand of 6,000. So D is given, capital D is given, that is 6,000 units. Okay, capital D is given 6,000 units, and they are asking average inventory matlab Q by 2. So, and they are saying that if orders are placed once a month, this means the N is going to be once a month. It means 12 times in a year. So N is going to be 12 order per year. Either it is going to be N is directly given, N equals to 1 order per month. So it is going to be 12 orders per year. So you can write here that N equals to 1 order per month. Okay, it is given. It is given in the question. So you can write here. So you have to find, you know the formula, N equals to D by Q. So you have to find the Q. Q equals to 6,000 by N. So it is going to be 500. So average inventory is equals to Q by 2. This is going to be 500 by 2. So how many units? 250 units. Okay, the average inventory is going to be 250 units. So answer is B. Okay, so very simple question, a tricky type of questions, but you may solve it. Okay, you must know it. Okay, so this is all about the inventory. Okay, we have completed our question series on inventory. Just go and practice the previous year questions. I think I have covered all the 4 models. Okay, I have covered all the 4 models and each and every variety of questions. So just go and practice the previous year questions of inventory. Okay, thank you.